the last example on ax squared. If you see, this is not like the first one, the one before. We don't have the greatest common factor between the 14, 53, and the 14. Again, the first term and the last term are not perfect squares, so we have to start with our table right away. 8 times c, 14 times 14 is actually 196, and b is equal to minus 53. Now let's start with the numbers. 196 and 1. It's divisible by 2. 19 divided by 2 is 9. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16, so it's not divisible by 3. Let's try 4. 19 divided by 4 is 4. 19 minus 16 is 3. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Non-divisible by 5. We don't need to go on because we got our number. Now, this is positive, which means that both of them have either a negative sign or a positive sign. What will determine whether they're both positive or negative? It's the B sign. Since B is negative, this means that they're both negative. Let's add. This is 197, negative 90, negative 53. Negative 49, negative 4 is negative 53, which we want. So we got our number. Let's just put them on a side for space and start factoring. We write here 14z squared. At the right bottom we write plus 14. And then we have this one. We will write it as minus 49z. Don't forget the z. And minus 4z. Let's start factoring up. The sign is positive. Between 14 and 4 we have 2. Z squared and z, we have z. Now the negative sign is touching the line, so we put here a negative. Between 49 and 14 we have 7. No z. Now let's factor to the left. Between again 14 and 49, of course it's positive. Between 14 and 49 we have 7. Z, between z squared and z. Here. Between negative 4, since negative is touching the line, we write negative. Between 4 and 14, we have 2. And our factors are 2z minus 7 and 7z minus 2. To do the checking part, now 2z times 7z, 7 times 2 is 14. Z times z is z squared. Now the last term, minus times minus is positive. 7 times 2 is 14. Now let's do the one in the middle, which is the 2 apart and the 2 that are near. 2z times 2 is minus 4z, minus 7 minus times 7 is minus 49z. If we add them, it's minus 53, so our solution is correct.